IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores.
Have you ever bought a piece of art?
Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I bought a painting one time from a local market. It was not very expensive, but I like the colors. I put it in my living room because it looks nice.
Why is this a band 5?
Fluency and coherence, basic, slightly repetitive, limited expansion, lexical resource, simple vocabulary, for example, nice, light. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, limited range, pronunciation, generally clear but not expressive, typical of a band 5. Short, safe answers with minimal detail.
Band 7.5. Answer.
Yes, I have. A while ago, I bought a small abstract painting from a local artist at a weekend market. What drew me to it was the unusual mix of colors and the fact that it felt quite personal and unique. I wouldn't say I'm an art collector, but I do enjoy having something original in my space.
Why is this a band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence, smooth and logically developed lexical resource, good range, for example, abstract, unique, drawn to. Grammar, variety of sentence structures used accurately, pronunciation, natural pacing and intonation, typical of a band 7.5. Clear development with some personality and detail.
Band 9. Answer.
Yes, I have, although not in a particularly serious or investment-driven way. I once bought an abstract piece from a local artist at a market, mainly because it immediately caught my eye. The colors were bold, and it had a kind of emotional intensity that I found quite compelling. I think what I enjoyed most was the idea of supporting an independent artist while also bringing something distinctive into my home.
Why is this a band 9?
Fluency and coherence, effortless, well-structured and engaging. Lexical resource, sophisticated and precise, for example, investment-driven, emotional intensity, compelling. Grammar, wide range of complex structures used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation, highly natural, expressive, and easy to follow. Typical of a band 9, fully developed, nuanced, and natural-sounding response.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.